Okay, I'm Seth Summerlin, and this is my wife, Katie. We started this process by finding a piece of land and contacted Integrity based on some research that Katie had done.
I was just following a lot of Instagrammers and looking at different house styles. When I found Integrity, I thought that they were just too good to be true. But I reached out anyway, and I really didn't know if they would take on our project or not, but they did.
We were impressed not only with the work, I think, but also with the fit to our style and the style that we wanted to bring alive in a house that didn't look anything like what we wanted it to look like. The house needed a lot of work. The house did not reflect in any way, shape, or form other than maybe the skeleton of it. Integrity brought specific plans to address what we wanted out of the house, which were nearly exactly what we were asking for. We moved nearly every wall around. We inserted windows where there were walls. Integrity understood what we were trying to do, and through partnerships with architects and helping us think through the power requirements and all the other tactical and practical things, they made that a reality for us.
We have a great mudroom now. We were able to have the laundry room moved across the house to our master closet. It connects to our master closet now. Great area for the kids to stash all their stuff. There's tons of cabinets. Looks nice and neat.
Couldn't be more pleased with that, the function as well as the form of the house. We've already made a number of timeless memories, introducing our friends to our house. Which couldn't be more pleased with how it's coming together, and couldn't be more excited about the partnership with Integrity to deliver what we really want.